Hi friends, welcome to this video, and today you're going to be learning on how to make a penguin on Google Drawings. So let's begin. So we're going to start by making our penguin. So I'm going to take a little circle over here and I'm going to fill it in black. So I'm going to make the perfect diameter. So to make the inside part, that's why I'm going to take a heart and I'm going to fill it in white. So I'm going to put this heart a medium white, and I'm going to put in the circle, in the center of the circle. So when I see the red lines, then like the plus sign, then I can figure it out when it's in the center. So this much is good enough right now. And now I'm going to add 2 black circles for the eyes. And I'm going to fill them in black. Once I'm done formatting one, then only am I going to copy and paste it, because when I have all the formatting done and I need the same formatting for both circles, I don't have to do it twice that way. So let's see how it looks. So the eyes look good, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it over here and drag it to its spot. So over here I have the face, and now I just need a nose. So I'm going to go to shapes again, and I'm going to click on this one over here in the bottom section that says flowchart, merge. And I'm going to make it according to my size, and I'm going to fill it in to a solid orange color. You can even make a gradient if you like. So everything besides the shapes are your customized. So now I'm going to take another circle and I'm going to actually expand it to make it look like an oval, and that will be our body. So I'm going to fill this in black, and I'll show you how to order it. So you take your 2 fingers, you press on the mouse pad, just tap it, and you click on order over here, and you click on send to back. So I'm going to line it a little up. And I'm going to take this one, I'm going to make another one. I'm going to fill this one actually in white, like the face color. And if you've seen a penguin or just an image of it, not really, obviously, then you can probably know the colors of it. And if you don't, you can look it up. And you're definitely probably saw it because I showed it to you in the beginning of the video. So please watch this video whole so you can get every single step in. So I'm going to use this number 8-point star for its feet. And I'm going to fill this in orange like the beak color. And I'm going to order it to stay at the back. So I'm going to click on send to back. And I'm going to take one more. I'm also going to put that over here. And I'm going to also order it to send to back. And I have my 2 little feet over here. Now you can see we are pretty close. We just need the hands. So we can take this over here. We're going to go to curve, and we're going to create an arm. So I can create an arm, and then I can reshape it. So I'm going to click over there. So I double click on this, and then I can reshape it, resize it. And then you can do it as you like. So I accidentally removed that. So over here you can see we have our arms. They look like this. So this is what we want it to look like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to retake this. I'm going to put it in straight here. Go like that. I'm going to make almost like a triangle, but then it's going to go like this. Like that. And this is our perfect arm. So if you want to know any questions, or if you have any questions on any of this, then you can comment me down in the comment box. And if you haven't yet, please do subscribe our channel. And if you really like my videos and you want me to continue posting them, then please like, share, and subscribe. One of your subscribes can do a big hand in our work. So we can rotate this and we can push it in and all that jazz. And then we can get our perfect little penguin in. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna rotate this one this other way. So over here I have this one. I'm gonna also order it. And if you don't know, once you copy and paste something, then you have to reorder it because it removes all the control format after ordering. So I'm gonna push that a bit up because the hands are looking pretty big, actually long. So we have our penguin done over here, and now what we need is our snowy background. So before that, I'm going to select all this and I'm gonna click on Control-Alt-G. So this is our little special code, I can say as, and it's for grouping things. So when you click on Control+Alt+G, then you can group stuff together. So over here, I'm gonna still click on curve, and over here, I'm gonna draw my snowy field. So I'm gonna go like this. So as you get using this, then you get used to it. So now I'm gonna fill this in like a whitish color, almost like the skin. The border will be close to white color. And I can take this and I can edit it a bit. So then I'm gonna take my penguin and I'm going to order it to bring to front. And I'm gonna also bring it a little higher. I can stretch this a bit higher too. And I'm going to make my background a little bluish color, so it's gonna be this one over here. Just a little, the second one from the darkest blue. So right here I have this background. If you want, you can even add some clouds. So there's this one next to the sun and moon. You can add clouds, but right now I'm not adding those. And we're gonna add some snow over here. So you can see how there's scattered snow over here. We can add that too. So for this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to shapes. We're gonna go to the circle. We're gonna make a little tiny little circle. We can fill it in white. The border will also be white. We're gonna shrink it a bit more. And we can just scatter it like this. So then all we need to go like that. And then we can scatter it. And once we have an area scatter, we can copy it. And well, we can group it, we can copy it, and then we can just paste it to the rest of the places. So I'm going to use half of these circles, and I'm going to make this. So if you have anything additional you'd like to add to this penguin, you can even add that. You can, oopsies, you can even change the colors, make it like a different color penguin. You can make a pink penguin, you can make a blue penguin, you can make a whatever kind of penguin you want. So like I said, it's all up to you. You get to decide. It's your art. So I can scatter all these. So I'm gonna get a little section in, and then I'm gonna group it, and then I'm gonna copy and paste it for the rest. So I'm gonna click Control-Alt-G again, and then I'm gonna click Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste, and then we can move it. So I'm gonna move it to this section right now. I'm gonna make more and more of these copied. And I can move it to different places. So I'm gonna cover this entire place with these snow. So we can just scatter this all over the place, and we can make more and more snow scattered everywhere because this is a Arctic taking place zone, so you can probably estimate there's gonna be a lot of snow. So for this, you'll need some patience, you'll need some tips and tricks because those are really important. And when we're trying to find these kind of beautiful art stuff, then we also like to just do everything fast, get done with it. But our main key over here is to work hard and make this all. So we work so hard for you guys, so this means a quick like, share, and subscribe. So I'm going to select the section, I'm going to group it, and I'm going to make one more of it. And I can drag it right over here. You can see so much snow in just one little step. So you can see that we have some scattered snow all over this place. And I'm going to bring some down here too. So you can see we have a perfect snowy field with this beautiful penguin sitting right over here. And you can see how beautiful this looks. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and I hope you loved having me when you're making this. So if you love this, then please like, share, and subscribe, and continue watching my new videos to figure out how to make these beautiful art projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.